So bafethu, on the first episode of KwamaMkhize on Showmax engene namhlanje ngomhla 14, we saw a lot of things being revealed. Sibone umuzi kaAndile Bisane la hlala khona nonkosikazi wakhe uThamiya. Sibone ama statues uMamkhize awenzele for abazali bakhe emalibeni akubo lapha eMbumbulu. Ngisathola indaba yokuthi she's also going to be releasing a book. I think she has released it already. Bekade ngingazi. Hayi samnandi indaba bafethu, asigibele phezulu kwayo sikhulume ngalo le episode ephume namhlanje yakwaMamkhize. Asigibele. So bafethu, igama lami ngu-Azadi. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the like button and the bell button khona nizokwazi ukuthola ama-notifications whenever I drop ama-reviews of the shows. Please be advised, upload ama-video of the episode, but rather I give you ama-snippets khona nizo-understand ukuthi i-episode obiphumile noma kudlale ini, kwenzakaleni nako konke lokho khona nani nizokwazi ukuthi kanti kwenzeke kanje kanjani. So let's start here. KwamaMkhize season 2 episode 1 ungene namhlanje. Uthe uqala nje bandlu uqala ekubo. It was a good opening ngoba uqala ekubo eMbumbulu ezokutshengisa abazali bakhe ukuthi ngibhala incwadi ikhuluma ngalokho. Kukhona nomfowabo lapha ezomsiza ukuthi abazali phela batshengise usiphi incwadi ayibhalile nako konke lokho. Ithe imesisuka lapho i-episode yaqhubekela phambili yamveza eseseThekwini ehamba eya okhosini ohlangana noSigxemeza noMroza ohlelweni labo ezobatshengisa nakhona noma ezokhuluma ngayo incwadi nangempilo yakhe. They asked her a whole lot of different questions regarding her marriage, her former, I don't know, wife-in-law, if I must say, usisi uSithelo nendaba zeyingqinamba zabo nezingane nako konke lokho. It was quite a revealing episode, but it's incane ingaki na 24 minutes kodwa hayi kuningi nako konke lokho. And then after that, after esekuphumile kwishow kaSigxemeza noMroza okhosini, wasuka lapho uSibahle wahamba waya eMaritzburg. Uyaphi eMaritzburg? Kumuzi kaAndile benonkosikazi wakhe uThamiya. Bafethu, bengingazi nakhona siba nomuzi. It's a beautiful house. It's a huge house. I think that's a ranch or a farm. I'm not quite sure. Kodwa usho wakhe usho it's a farm. Uyathanda uhlala emafarm njengentombi ekhulela emafarm. So that is her scenario. Anyways, siyambona ke lapha yana uSibahle bandle khuluma nobhuti wakhe about ama-plans amawabo ukuthi ufuna ukurelocate from eThekwini ufuna ukuvela kephi eJozi. We do not know why, but that would mean ukuthi kakhulukazi indaba ze-team iRoyal AM izobe seyibhekana nobani naye umfethu uAndile ngoba phela this is more like his baby indaba ye-team. Naye umama ke la uyishila indaba yokumuva phela nanokuthi amabhizinisi akazozenza uzowamisa kanjani ngoba indaba zo-construction usekuthanda ukuthi ufuna ukuhlehla kuzona. I think it's because of the challenges that's been happening in that industry, as we have seen in the papers, in the news and in the media ukuthi there's some construction mafia and so forth. Maybe, I do not know, I'm just speculating. But yeah, man, another thing that we saw ukuthi manje uSibahle uyaphila. I'm happy to see sisusi uyaphila, right, healthy, akanankinga. Umfana lo uAndile on the other hand bandla yena usekhoseshe kakhulu ebholeni. Uthanda nje yena usathe ukuma emculweni ngoba uthanda ukuba nzima. I thought he used to brush shoulders nabotira. I thought by now he would have had exposure ayidingayo to like keep us going with umculo or awukhipha yomnandi, because he didn't have like bad songs. It's just that they were not as popular as they were supposed to be. Yabo. But anyways, uthena ukhoseshe ebholeni okwamanje, so uyajima umfana uyanciphisa. Ngiyafisa ukuba nogqozi lakhe lokuthi nami ngizama ukwehlisa la yabo. But anyways, we saw another scene umama lapho uMamkhize ekhuluma nomngani wakhe ngezinhlelo zakhe. Phela uMamkhize esho ukuthi hey, manje ngafika 50 mngani, ngifuna ukuhlala phansi, get a yacht, ngitravel umhlaba, ngenza izinto engizithandayo nakho konke lokho. Bengingazi ke mina ukuthi umama akafiki ku50. I honestly believed ukuthi mhlambe she's at least at 50 by now, especially the last time simbona ku TV or the last time I saw her on TV esikhathi enza leya show ku BAT kuthiwa yini Thanksgiving dinner or something, ukhona Ringo becula nako konke lokho no Khuzani. But other than that, it was a good show. I think it was a 24-minute show. They tried to cover everything empilweni zabo. You understand? It could be ingozi kaSibahle, it could be isimo saSithelo nokuxabana kwabo nokuyisana enkantolo, it could be indaba kaSibumpi isana nomshado wakhe benoMamkhize and how did the divorce affected her life. Konke bafethu is just crammed up in one episode. So I believe ukuthi this was just them showing us ukuthi this is who they are and this is where they come from. I think future episodes are gonna come through. They're gonna show us ukuthi bayaphi. The other characters are corner on the show. They were not shown, but avelile kuyibika lokuqala in the opening of the show. That is Utha was not available on the show episode yokuqala bese kuba uSean the stylist. So I think with ama episode eqhubeka labantu sazobabona okwanamhlanje as a first episode kuvele umndeni wodwa, which was a great plan. Ayike bafethu ngicabanga sesiyagoqa namhlanje. Thank you so much for watching my review. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button ngiyangicela, and tell other people to watch my review. Subscribe to the page. Do go to the comment section. Tell me what you think. Tell me what I would have done better. Or was it all well done, put together? Anyways, for the support, we're gonna see each other again on the next new episode review or any other show. Okay, that's what